Hey everyone, welcome to House on Pine. Today we are finally going to be decorating for fall. This is my first fall decorate video on my entire channel, so I'm so excited to be starting this today. I hope you guys are excited too. We are going to be starting to decorate in the dining room. I've already cleaned the dining room up. I'm going to do just a little bit of cleaning and wiping things down. We're going to be taking down all of this summer decor, and I'm going to lay out all of my fall decor, let you guys see everything that I have, and we're going to go ahead and start decorating. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video and you are excited to start fall decorating. So here I am taking down these little racks that hold all of my redone mugs. I got these actually off Amazon, and they've been great just to display all of my mugs. As you can tell, I'm really a redone fan, but I thought it was time for a change, so I took everything down and I'm going to clean off all the shelves. I'm also going to clean the windows and the table before we start to put more new decor back up. Now everything is clean and taken down. I have a blank canvas to work with, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all the fall decor that I have ready to put back up in this space. Some of these items you have already seen in my fall haul videos. These cups are actually new. They are from Hobby Lobby. They are copper. I forget the price I paid for them, but I also purchased this copper pitcher as well as these brown florals you see back there. I also got these adorable little copper roofed houses. These were on sale half off at Hobby Lobby, so they were only $5 a piece, and they actually do light up. I've also purchased this table runner that I'm going to be using on my table, and I have this copper cowbell that I'm going to use. This was my husband's, but I love the color, so I'm also going to be putting it up this year too. I'm going to start first with these shelves, and the first thing I'm going to put up is this copper sign. It's a bit smaller than the sign that was already up, but I'm going to create some height with these flowers and vases, and hopefully that'll fill in the areas below the sign. These flowers that I found at the flea market, I was actually going to use on my porch, but I love them so much, and I thought they went perfectly with the look that I was trying to create on this shelf. So I'm definitely going to have to go back and get more of those flowers to put outside. And here you'll see me experimenting with a basket and some pumpkins. This obviously did not turn out the way I wanted it to, so I'm going to go back here in just a few minutes and completely change this. But sometimes when you're decorating, you just have to play around and see what works and what doesn't. thought this cowbell looked kind of plain, so I just got some rope that I actually got from Dollar Tree for $1, and I just tied a little loop on the end just to add a little bit of embellishment. Now I'm going to be adding some candles to these decorations. This one I actually got from Dollar General, and it really does smell good. It was only $6. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean off all of the fall decorations from the table. We're going to go ahead and set up all the table decorations, and I'm also going to be putting up a wreath on the pantry door that is behind the table. I'm going to start by working on this table centerpiece. These florals I got from Hobby Lobby, and I loved them in the store, even though Adam, my husband, made fun of them so bad. But I still love them. After I got these decorated in this copper vase, I really like the way they look. And they were really hard, however, to kind of situate in this vase. These are really long, so I ended up folding the stems. I didn't want to cut the stems in case I change my mind later and want to put these in a taller vase, but this did take some time maneuvering these little floral things. I don't know what you call them, shells or nuts or hulls, but anyway, it took me some time, but after I finally got everything situated, I was very happy with how this turned out. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of the table. I'm going to keep this very simple. I'm using these chargers that I actually found at the flea market. I went ahead and cleaned those up and just set those into place. And now I'm going to go ahead and set some simple napkins and these cute little pumpkin napkin rings that I found on Amazon. And I think that's all I'm going to do to this table. I'm just going to keep it simple and make sure that it's super simple to pick up and clean whenever we sit down to eat. And now the last thing that I wanted to do was add this fall wreath to my pantry door. We actually have our pantry in the dining room for now because there is no room for it in the kitchen as it is, and I would have to change out cabinets, replace cabinets, and just do a whole new cabinet layout to install a pantry in our kitchen. But I'm super happy with how this dining room turned out. It's not overpowering, it's not too much, but it's just some simple fall touches of copper. So that's what I wanted. I just wanted something I would not get tired of after a couple days. So that is going to be it for my first fall decorate video on my new channel, House on Pine. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel to watch my video. I appreciate every single one of you who has subscribed to my channel so far. I can't believe I have this many subscribers. I'm almost 600, if not more by the time this video goes live, so thank you all so much. I hope you really enjoyed this video. There's lots more fall videos coming up in the next month, and also some makeover videos, including my kitchen makeover I hope to finish this week. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. You can always leave me a comment to tell me what you think and what you liked. So I hope to see you guys again very soon in my next video.